have here this professional electric nail drill to share with you. So as I said, it's a professional machine with a high speed, it's portable, rechargeable, and it works very well. If you have a salon, you can use this too because it's a very nice idea. I love this design, it's elegant, beautiful, I like the color. Here on the back we have this clip to hang in our pants, to keep this machine with us and ease access in our pants, and I think this is more convenient. To turn on, turn off, it's very simple, just turn the button and we can control the speed just turning this too. This button is to change the rotation of the machine, and here it's to play and pause. Very simple. It came with some tools. As I showed in the beginning, we have a lot of pieces here and this ceramic tool. And I like this base too because it's very nice to keep the machine on the table like this. And it has these holes here to place these tools, and we have 2 more in the back. I highly recommend it. I think it's a great choice to do our nails at home. It's very helpful. Or if you have a salon, for example, you can use this too.